Good morning and welcome to another Lainox video. Today I want to show you the perfect solution for bar, bistro and even small restaurants, which is our Oracle. What is Oracle? Oracle is a high-speed oven which combines three different technologies. We have the microwave, which is going to make our cooking really fast, together with the technology of the impingement, which is going to crisp up our product in just a few seconds. And then, of course, in that we have also the traditional convection that is going to make our product evenly cooked all around. But let's get started and let's see what we are going to present to you as a recipe today. Today I want to show you how I can make an hamburger with chips in our Oracle. You know, traditionally at least you should need 3 pieces of equipment to make this cooking, because you should need a fryer for making the French fries, you should need at least a fry top or a grill to make the burger bun, and then you should need also to cook the patty. So it's going to be at least 3 pieces of equipment that we should need to use in 8-10 minutes of cooking, right? Let's see how much time and how easier it's going to be instead to make it in Oracle. So what I'm gonna do is just, thanks to the customizable display where I have already organized in order my recipe, I can just take my burger and chips, go in, close the door, and then I just need to remember to click on the recipe. After I made that, Oracle is going to start immediately to bring me to the perfect quality of the dish. Quality that is going to be always the same, days and days after. Whoever is going to use the Oracle, because I can be an operator, I can be a barman, I can be whoever I like, even a person that has no skill in the kitchen. But as soon as I set it my recipe, once I will click on that, I can always achieve the same result days and days after. So it's going to become really easy to work with our Oracle, but it's going to be easy even the installation process, because actually the installation, we don't have it over here. With Oracle we developed a technology that we call the plug and play. That means that you can forget about any extractor hood, you can forget about any connection to water, gas, drainage. With Oracle you just need to plug in and you can immediately start to cook. So another really important advantage, because it makes Oracle suitable for whatever activity I want. I just need, really, thanks to the minimal space it occupies, I just really need to place it on a table and I can immediately start to cook. So we said about the minimal space, but now let's see also the timing. As I told you before, this hamburger is gonna be cooked in only 1 minute and 30 seconds. As you can hear, as soon as the product is ready, Oracle is gonna call me and it's gonna tell me to take out my product. So I have my chips and my hamburger ready. I can start seasoning my chips for the service that I need to do later on. In the meantime that I'm making this, I'm going to take my burger buns and go to crisp it up outside thanks to our impingement. So I just insert my product and then click once on the recipe. Just 30 seconds and also my burger buns is gonna be ready. So I can just prepare myself for make even the plating up of this dish. Together with that, another important thing that we have is also the Wi-Fi connection, because Oracle, as it is already history of Lainox, is connected to the Wi-Fi. Thanks to that, all the recipes that are in Oracle can be created remotely in our computer and send straight away to all the units we have. So, another time Oracle is calling and is telling me that even my buns is ready. So I can just finish with the plating of my product and in a few seconds I can go to serve my hamburgers. That is not gonna be cooked in 8-10 minutes as traditionally happened, but here, as you saw, we could make the burger and chips in only 1 minute and 30 seconds. And then we finish the burger buns in only 30 seconds. So 2 minutes in total, and we made the dish that we are now serving. Here we are. That's the dish that is going to our customer. So imagine also the profit that you could have out of this dish, because you are not going to use many different pieces of equipment to make it. You're not going to have professional staff that you need to pay for having that. That's why Oracle become really the solution that is going to allow you to make more profit in your activity. And also another thing that is going to help your profit is going to be the cleaning, because you will not have to spend much time in order to make your cleaning. With Oracle, you have a really fast cleaning. As you saw, I clicked on the switching off button, and automatically Oracle starts to cool down. After I'm making that, I just need, with a wet cloth, to rinse my Oracle. Thanks to the linings that we have all over, the rinsing will be really easy, because the fat is not gonna stick on the steel. So, I already arrived to the end. So if you need any more information, and if you want to see some more recipes that can be cooked in Oracle, you can go to our website, Lainox.com, where you can find all the contacts in order to have a meeting with one of our RSM or responsible manager for showing you what is the real potential about our Oracle.